Right now we're using the associative property, the commutative property, and compensation to learn how to use mental math when adding decimals for our upcoming unit on topic 6. And then add the 4, which would make it 40. That's compensation, taking it apart to put it back together. Now when it comes to decimals, somewhat of the same exact approach. So I want you to look at this one here. The following question here is, we're gonna add decimals, right? So I want you to try changing the order of these numbers to make it easier. So we're using what? The associative property. We're trying to put it in a way that is easy to add. Now what I want to try to make you understand is there are different ways of adding decimals. When we use compensation, we change one or both numbers to make a bit easier. So the thing about this lesson today is you're gonna have to attempt to do all this mentally. No whiteboards, no pencils, no notebooks. All of it has to be up here.